Welcome. If you're looking to boost your privacy on Telegram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to prevent Telegram from accessing your phone feature, an important step for anyone who wants tighter control over their personal data. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and unlock it. Now, head straight to your device's settings. This is where you manage everything from Wi-Fi to notifications, and most importantly, app permissions. Next, scroll down until you see the section labeled Apps, or sometimes it might be called App Management depending on your device. Tap on it to bring up a list of all the applications installed on your phone. Now, swipe through the list or use the search bar to find Telegram. Once you spot it, tap on the Telegram icon to open its specific settings page. Here, you'll see details like storage usage, battery consumption, and more. But what we're interested in is permissions. Go ahead and tap on Permissions. This is the control center for what Telegram can and cannot access on your phone. You'll see a list of features, such as camera, contacts, microphone, and phone. Look for the option labeled Phone. By default, Telegram might have access to this, but you can change that in just a second. Tap on Phone and then select Don't Allow. That's it. Telegram will no longer have permission to access your phone feature. Why does this matter? Apps with phone access could, in theory, make calls or access call information. By disabling this permission, you're taking an important step to protect your privacy and ensure that Telegram only uses the features you're comfortable with. If you ever change your mind, you can always revisit these settings and adjust the permissions as needed. Taking a few moments to review your app permissions is a simple yet powerful way to take control of your digital life. Thanks for watching. For more privacy tips and tech guides, don't forget to check out our other tutorials. Stay safe and in control of your data.